So, Junior, what are we doing outside? And what's with the telescope? Well, I was thinking we should do some bird watching today. Isn't this for some school project or something? Of course it's not for a school project. This is instead for fun, other than a homework assignment. Wait, are we actually going to look at some birds? Well, not exactly that. It'll be random stuff we see. Did you find anything interesting? No, nothing yet. Maybe I have a chance. Looks like nothing is showing up. I guess nothing is interesting right now. Well, that's lame. Wait a second. What in the world is that fin? Wait, what are you talking about? I just so happen to encounter a UFO. Wait, really? Let me have a look. Oh my goodness, you're right. There actually really is a UFO. I better sketch this out. Is it possible that an alien must have crash landed in this planet? Well, there's only one way to determine that. We're going to find this UFO. How in the world are we supposed to do that? I might have an idea.
What? You two have spotted a UFO in the city?
Well, surprisingly, we did. I even sketched it out for further proof.
Oh my god. This looks legit. Surprising that no one else, but you two, have noticed this mysterious thing.
And that's the main reason we came to you guys. We were wondering if you guys can catch this UFO, so that way we can make a news report about it.
Have no fear, Junior and Snoopy. We'll go out and track down the UFO, so that way we can share it all over the news.
Well, that's a good thing. Hope we're not too late to catch it.
Let's see now. According to my track meter, this UFO should be right around this corner.
Let me go ahead and take a closer look. Good, the UFO is still there. This is our ultimate chance to surrender it. 3, 2, 1, now.
Gotcha, UFO. There's nowhere to go.
Now it's time to let the world know about this. Let's now get a camera so we can. What the? Hang on for a second. This UFO is made out of cardboard.
What in the world is this garbage? This UFO was fake the whole time? How? You should thank the worst troublemaker in history. Toad, are you serious right now?
You created a fake cardboard cutout of a UFO so you can trick us?
Yes?
What is your problem, Toad? We thought that was a real UFO.
But, no. You have caused a huge confusion this whole time. Shame on you, young man.
And by the time we take you home, your dad is gonna find out about what you just did.
No, please. I will behave.
You better get upstairs to your room right now before you get placed in a timeout.
No.
I am deeply sorry for the kid's behavior, you guys. That's alright. We weren't aware that it was a trick. Well, at least we made half of discovery thanks to those 6. Alright then, maybe we can go for some dinner. Alright then.
Well, despite it being a trick all along, it's still a job well done to help out our friends.
You better believe it, baby. Let's now head back outside and see what else we can do in the meantime.
Hey, what is going on around here?
We heard some commotion during our naps for some odd reason. Was there something we had missed or something?